Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how we can create our own website without even spending a single penny. So let's see how. So the website would look something like this. So this website I have created it for my client. The client is none other than my brother. So he just wanted a simple website for his business where he just needed a few options such as view it in a mobile or a laptop responsively. As you can see, I am showing the website in a mobile view. It would probably look something like this, and this would be the desktop view. It is really awesome to create a website something like this. It's really easy. I'm gonna show you how. And also you could make something like visitors or viewers of your website would contact you. And also if you want, you could add some more pages like about us. And this is very important that you just have to write the information about your company based on search engine optimization. I'm going to talk about search engine optimization in the upcoming videos. And moreover, guess what? You don't need a coding knowledge to create an awesome website like this. You could also do the same thing for your client and charge him like 500 to 600 rupees. Okay, now let's start. Go to the Google Drive, right click and get into the Google site. The first appearance would look something like this. Go ahead and enter your company's title. In this case, for demonstrating purpose, I would name it as simple website. Stretch it to adjust in the center. And next, we are going to give a name for our website. And in this case, it would be a simple website again. Okay, now let us choose a beautiful theme for our website. There are only few themes are available that you can see on the right side under the themes menu, and select one that fits your website. Okay, now let's add a carousel to your website, and this would act as a banner. Overall, it is a sliding carousel. You can use this feature to display any offers that you are running on your website or the service that you offer. Okay, now let's embed a content block, and this feature will enable you to add the images and the product title and descriptions. And you can also give a hyperlink which will redirect to your WhatsApp. And this would be more visible and easily accessible where client can contact you easily. Okay, now you just need options like you just need to enter your company's profile like about us, and you can just add some images and write little about your company. And you just need to create another page like this and write about your company and link that particular page to the main page. And this is just because you can't keep everything in the main page and that won't look attractive. Okay, now let me add an image to this block. You can select a file from various resources, while now I am selecting it from a Google Drive. Okay, that looks good now. Now it is time to add a footer. I am just copying it and pasting it. You can also do the same thing. I am just adding one more content block. Suppose in case if you have more products to list, you can do the same thing. But please don't junk it. Why? Because the website will take more time to load, and this would reduces the chance of ranking your website on the Google's first page. You just have to remember that you just need to keep the minimal content in the first page. Okay, now we just have to create a new page where the visitors needs to contact us. For this I am using a Google form which is already ready in my Google Drive. So what you have to just do is just go to the form, create one form based on your website requirement, and the link for the form is already been generated, and copy that link and embed it. It's simple as that. And now let's just create a page for about us. So here you just have to write the entire details of your company. And it is very important to integrate your company's location in the website. There is an option called map given in the side menu, as you can see. So to integrate the location, all you have to do is just click on the map, type your company's name and click enter. And now I'm creating one more block and write something about the service that I offer. And this is the same process which I did it earlier for about us. As I told you earlier, you can upload the files from the various resources like on the internet or from your local computers. Not a problem, you can use it as you want. And in the final touch, let us add a social links. And the one more very important thing is you just need a traffic for a website. If you increase the traffic of your website, you will get more leads. The more leads, the more business you get. For this, you just need to create more blog posts. Since it is my first video, I will teach you about bloggings in my upcoming videos. And those videos will be very useful for you. You can generate free leads and that would really increase business from the website. Suppose if you already have some blog posts, you can link them up here. And that is how easy it is to create a website like this. It's very simple. You just don't need a coding knowledge to create such website. So create a link for your website, enter the title and click on publish. Suppose if you have your own domain like www.yourowncompaniesname.com, you can add that particular domain and make it redirect. And if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, I'll show that in my upcoming videos. And that is how easy it is to launch a website. But it is not just over. There are various methods to optimize your website. The main purpose of this website is to generate leads. The more leads you get, the more money you get paid. And I'm in a progress of making those videos. So all I want you to do is just subscribe to channel, turn on that notification so that you will never miss an useful video like this. And very importantly, you can see the responsiveness of this website, which is responsively and dynamically perfectly fits to your gadgets. I'll finish this video here by hoping you will consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.